I'll get a poof in the face, just like in high school. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. I promise, typically in my videos you won't hear as many sirens as you may hear in this video. There's something going on and there's been about 30 cop cars that have gone by my window in that direction. So we gonna stay over here, let them go over there. They obviously have some very important work to do over there and I don't want to interfere. But yeah, just know most of my videos don't include that many sirens. That sentence was a tough delivery. I'm sure it wasn't easy on your ears anyway. Oh my god. Anyway, today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. It is August, the month of the best people in the world. My best friend's born in August. She is August 31st, so I guess the best people are born at the end of August, but if your birthday's in August, happy birthday. It's Leo season right now, so if you're a Leo, happy birthday, Leo. I have a video coming soon with a makeup look inspired by your sign, so make sure to subscribe and come back for that. More sirens. For anybody who does not know what Boxycharm is, though I'm sure you do, because if you're watching this, unless you're one of my loyal everydays, which most of the people that come to these are new. If you are, hello, I'm Brittany. If you don't have Boxycharm, it's a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month they take 21 bucks from your account and you get sent one of these beautiful little boxes filled with full-size products to try and test and love. I cannot speak English today. Great, let's film a video. If you like Boxycharm videos or you like anything about this video, give it a like if you would like, because I would like to know what you like. And of course, before you leave, smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. We put out new videos every week and I would love to have you here, especially if you're new. Hi, I'd love to have you stick around. We're pretty fun here, typically. Most people like me once they get to know me. And anyways, I think it's time that we just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, just keep on watching. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Dropping everything. Okay, so the first item in the box is the card with the theme, and it says Totally Boxycharm, and it's all pink. On the side, it's got the prices, how to use them, what they are. We'll refer to this if we need it, but for now, let's just bust up into this box. Okay, the first thing I see in here looks suspiciously like something I've seen before. It looks suspiciously like the items that I decluttered in my last video, which if you have not seen that video, I'll link it up above. But doesn't it look suspiciously like ColourPop Super Shock Shadows? Interesting. So this is a duo that retails for $25 from Ace Beauty. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch because it looks dangerously similar to ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, which are like $5 a piece. This is like $12.50 a piece, so let's see how the formula is. It's got a very similar imprint in it. This reminds me very much of Liberty from ColourPop. Let's touch it. Okay, it feels just like Super Shock Shadows. Let's give it a swatch. And it swatches similarly. Not quite as pigmented, actually. This is in the shade French Vanilla from Ace Beauty. Let me grab Liberty from ColourPop so you can see a comparison, because that's very weird. So this is ColourPop Liberty. You're not going to be able to see the imprint because I have used this one, but let me give this one a swatch. See? See, the ColourPop one's actually more reflective and more pigmented and more silver. But these are definitely a similar vibe, and this one's $5, this one's like $12.50, and it's in a duo. Interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. It's a little bit strange because it's such a unique thing that ColourPop has. I mean, I guess you don't have like this type of product trademarked, but like that is what they're known for, so it's a little bit of a weird choice. And this is the other shade that came in it. This is Huckleberry. It is a really pretty shade, you know, but it just seems weird to me. I don't know. Poor taste or something. That's the shade Huckleberry. Let me see if I have a ColourPop one that's similar to this. I just decluttered mine, so let me see. I do not have a shade like that. The closest thing I have is Birthday Cake which is nowhere near it. So, I mean, if you like the shades a lot, this could be pretty cool. I don't know how I feel. It seems a little bit weird, but that's the first item in the box. Everything will be listed down below on whether or not it's cruelty-free, anything like that, because I personally only use cruelty-free cosmetics, so I'll put down below if it is cruelty-free. And if it's not, this will be given away, as is done on my channel. So, 25 bucks. That's already the price of the box, so if that was something you wanted. The next item we have is from the brand Steve Laurent, and it is a lip liner in the shade Vogue that retails for $15. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what shade she is. It looks kind of similar to what I have on my lips right now, actually, but this is not. This is ColourPop 951 liner with Jeffree Star Thickest Thieves lipstick and the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the original. That's what's going on here. So let's go ahead and check this guy out. It is a wooden pencil, which I'm not obsessed with because my pencil sharpeners destroy wooden pencils. Anyone else who can relate? Oh! Don't know why it's like that. I have two and they both do it. So this is the shade right here. It's a little stiff, but that's the shade. It's pretty. I can see myself wearing it once it's nubbin. I don't know how I'll be able to sharpen it, you know, in a way that'll look nice. But this retails for $15. So if you like expensive lip liners, this could be a good option. I'm just gonna put it in my lip liner container with all my cheap lip liners because I'm a cheap bitch and move on. So the next item is from Wander Beauty. It retails for $42 and it is their Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I have oily skin. So this is just a face oil. It's a beauty oil to apply 2 to 3 drops to your face with your fingertips. This is something that I would put on. Oh, more of the ambulances. This is something that I would put on my skin after my moisturizer at night. I do not use any type of oils during the day because I just get too oily and it's summer and I live in California, in Los Angeles to be exact, and it is so hot that it's kind of ridiculous. So this retails for $42, so that's pretty expensive. I'm curious to see what it smells like. It has a plastic, I believe, so I can't smell it, but if you do want like an update, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, BRATTERSTEIN, just like it says right there. I do updates all the time on all this kind of stuff, so just watch my stories. I will post about it if I like it. The next item is from Tarte, and it retails for $23. This is their new Big Ego mascara, and it is a vegan formula. What up though to vegan formulas? And I like the packaging. It's very cute. I have been a fan of some Tarte mascaras in the past, so I'm not opposed to this. Let's see what the tube looks like. Oh, the tube is hot pink too. This is, they knew what they were doing. They're like, hey, oh shit. Pink, 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 pink. They have a theme here that I'm just realizing. I am not a smart woman. Anyway, I really like this packaging. It's like a matte neon pink. It feels good in the hands. Let's see what the wand looks like. It's got a big old wand. It's kind of got the Too Faced Better Than Sex type wand where it's a little bit tapered in the center. Okay, I'm excited to try this. Let me know down below if you've tried it because I have not. But I'll probably use this tomorrow and see how it works. I've been on the lookout for a perfect mascara. If you haven't seen, I'll link above. I did the Damn Girl mascara and I compared it with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm on a mission. I need a perfect mascara since I don't wear lashes. Help. And anyways, that retails for 23 smackaroos. So even if you just wanted that mascara, that's... Even if you just wanted the mascara, that is a $2 discount and you get all this other stuff for free, which is pretty tight if I do say so myself. And I do say so myself. Okay, and we're already to the last item. This went through like quick. This is like my fastest video ever, so don't know what that was about. So this is from the brand Becca Cosmetics, and this is that Hydra Mist powder. Do you remember this powder? Oh man, let's open her up. Oh man. This is that powder that is a powder, but then when you touch it, it feels wet. Do you remember? I never tried it. I was so excited and interested in it, but I'm also a little bit frugal when it comes to things like powder, or I'm trying to think. There's like certain products that I just don't want to buy a lot of. Bronzer is one of those, powder, brushes. They just don't excite me enough to purchase them. I will buy a million lipsticks, a million of them. I have my red lipstick collection video that I've told everybody I'll do forever filmed, and it's going to go up very soon. And there's like 100, and those are just red. You know what I mean? Lipsticks, stoked. Eyeshadow palette, stoked. Lip liners, stoked. Powders? I mean, mean, I'm excited, but I'm not gonna go out and spend my dollars on them. But now, I get this for the low price of $21 when this retails for $39 plus all this other free stuff. Let's touch it. Let's put it on my face. I gotta feel this cold. And the packaging, very cool. I do like it. Keep me clothes to keep me cool. I was gonna try to make a joke about that's what they said in high school. So let's go ahead and test it. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm going to tap a little in the lid. Just a little. Oh, get a poof in the face. Just like in high school. Perfect setting brush. Let me get a little mirror here. Let's do this. Okay, I'm going to dip in the powder. I'm so excited. Please be as cold as everyone makes it seem like it will be. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on my under eye. Whoa. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. That feels weird. I feel like I accidentally got my brush wet. You know that feeling when you accidentally get your brush a little bit wet? I'm tripping myself out. What's happening? Oh, one of my own hairs fell into my own eye. So, unrelated. But, oh, that's so weird. It just feels very much like I accidentally got my brush wet and I'm just putting it on my face anyway because damn the rules. They don't apply to me. Oh, it's so weird. Does it look weird? No, it just looks like powder. That's weird though. I feel very strange. So that's the weirdest sensation in the entire world. I see why people were freaking out. I do not understand the science behind this product. If you've tried this, let me know what you think because I felt very uneasy. Very uneasy. Okay guys, so that is all the products I received in this month's Boxycharm. I just did the math and it retails for about $144, which is really dope considering you pay $21. That's kind of why I love the subscription services because even if you just wanted one item, almost all of the items retail for more than the box, so you're really getting a discount. And then for me personally, anything I don't like or anything that's not cruelty free, I just chuck it in a little bag. I have a bag in my closet and then I just give it to somebody in my life who I know will enjoy it. So it's just a good way to kind of get things for me at a discounted price and spread the love to everyone in my life who I think would enjoy stuff. So that's what I love about Boxycharm. Let me know what you love about Boxycharm since I know if you're watching this, you're just looking for spoilers because you're waiting for your Boxycharm to get here. And once you get yours, you'll be feeling the Christmas feeling that I have right now. Before you leave, please, if you've made it this far, smash that subscribe button and become part of my Brat Pack. I would love to have you here. I put out new videos every week and I've been on a filming spree. I've got so many pre-filmed, ready to put out 2 a week, getting on that. And of course, if you want to follow me on my other social media, I'll put it on the screen here. BRATTERSTEIN is for my makeup, Instagram, and my Twitter. And if you want to follow my journey to lose 100 pounds, follow Fatterstein. I'm getting close. I lost 90, gained 20, trying to lose that other 20, plus 10 more to hit that 100. It is a journey. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me when I know you could literally be anywhere else in the world. YouTube is a very big place, and you could be watching anyone else's video, so I'm stoked that you decided to watch mine, and I hope very much to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.